Hey, this is Mark with Mountain Venture, and today I'm going to give you my impressions of this rain jacket, the KUIU Chugach NX. I've had this jacket for almost a year now, and I have worn it on multiple outings, scouting, backpacking in the summer for fishing trips. I've worn it hunting this fall. I've climbed Mount Shasta with it, and I've also recently went out on a winter hammock camping trip where it snowed, but it also rained on me, so this jacket was really put to the test. So first of all, I want to talk about the fit of the jacket. I weigh 165 pounds, I'm 5'8", and I normally wear a medium in most garments, and I wear a medium in this jacket, and it has a somewhat athletic fit. It tapers, it's not very bulky, the sleeves taper down to the wrists. So what I was looking for in an outer shell for a rain jacket is something that was lightweight, and this fits the bill. It's a 3-layer fabric, and it comes in at 17.8 ounces on my scale, that I could pack down and just shove into a pocket in my backpack, and there it would stay until I needed it. But it would fit in a way that I could also layer underneath it. Right now I have 2 layers underneath the jacket. I have as my base layer an icebreaker merino wool 200 zip tee. It's very lightweight. I use it oftentimes as my only layer for hiking. And then when it gets a little cooler, I'll put on another layer. And right now I have the KUIU Peloton 200 zip tee, quarter zip tee over that, which is quite a bit thicker. It's a 9.8 ounce shirt, and so it's very warm. And underneath this jacket, it feels really good. It's not restrictive in any way, and it's a nice fit overall. Now when I get to camp, I want to put on even another layer if it's cold, if I'm in winter conditions and so on. So one of the things I was concerned about with an athletic cut jacket was when I put on a down layer, am I going to have enough room for that down not to compress? I need it to stay lofted so that I can be warm. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So now I have on a down sweater over the 2 layers that I had on before. This is a Patagonia down sweater, and I love this sweater, but I was concerned that it would keep its loft under the jacket. So I'm going to put the jacket on real quick. Now, as you can probably see, the jacket is starting to fill out, and it's becoming a little tighter on the layers that are underneath. And this is probably the maximum I would want to go with this jacket. If I had a heavier down jacket under this, if I was in real cold conditions, I'd probably want to go a size up. But for my use of this so far, with the layering that you see that I have on right now, I've kept very warm down into single digits with little activity. So this is a good system for me to stay lightweight, packable with a lot of variation in how I can layer underneath. So overall, I am very pleased with the KUIU Chugach NX jacket. The fabric is very comfortable, it's stretchy material, moves very well, it layers nice, it's light, it's packable, and it's waterproof, which is probably the primary reason you'd get a hard shell in the first place. I've worn it in the snow, in the rain, packing, agitating the fabric, and I have stayed dry underneath. And it ventilates very well, so I would recommend this jacket to anyone who would use it in a like capacity. As always, thanks for watching, and if you have your own experiences you'd like to share about this jacket, go ahead and comment below. And until then, I hope to see you out there sometime on the trail.